Well, welcome again to the Bartram Trail. I've not walked to this section before. This area is right above the Warwoman Dell's area. I think right behind me is a shelter, the toilet. But just decided I had a little time, needed to recharge. Came up to do some hiking. There's some kind of forest access road here. Yeah, Bartram Trail. This is Green Gap. 1.3 miles from Warwoman Dell, where I started. Well, I came up this path just a minute ago. I see a red blaze here. This might be Forest Service boundary. I don't see any signs. The yellow blaze has disappeared. There's a blue blaze on the tree over here. Right there. Another blue blaze here, which is on the way uphill, which leads me to believe that this may be part of the Boy Scout camp property, which is private. So I'm going to turn around and see if I can find out where the blaze went. Well, there's a trail coming down the hill, paralleling this access here, which looks like it might have been an old fire break or road or something. And looks like it was right here. Oh, there it is. Yep, that's what I missed. That tree right over there. Oh well. Yeah, I walked right past this. Go figure. That's life. That happens. Well, anyway, I'm running low on time, so start walking back. Right here is about the best view of the whole walk. So if you like these videos, please hit that like button down below, leave comments if you desire, and please subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later.